Hi everyone, this video is for those who wish to create a structure or a project whereby you have boxes that are stacked on top of another stand. Okay, so I'll just start. I'll have quite little talking over here, as little as less as I can, so that you can, if at any point in time, you can just pause the video, or just rewind a bit, to take a look at how I'm doing it. Okay, so I'll start off to create a stack at the base. I'll just start from the base. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'll just create another base at the bottom. Okay, make sure it's a new solid, HMM, and click OK. With that, okay, the stand, I'm going to create one piece of material on each side of it. So I'll create 2D sketch. I'll sketch on this surface. Okay. From here to okay, so I'll draw a rectangle from the edge to the other edge, all the way down. Okay, so if the overlap surface is, let's say, 2 cm, I'll just put 20 here. And if the base, from the base, let's say it is 5 cm, I'll just put 50. Okay, so of course this is the same as the width. Finish sketch, and I'll do an extrusion for the wall here. Oops. Okay, so make sure you choose the correct profile. So it's just the bottom part, new solid, and click OK. Okay, I shall just change the color of the newly created parts to red, so that you can see clearer on what I just did. Okay, so I just with the box on top, I just created this part here and this part here. Okay, so I turn to the other side, create 2D sketch on this surface, project geometry this, okay, and extrude this part, new solid, and OK. Okay, I'm going to change this to red as well. So I've created 3 parts here. Okay, so if I want to create the base for this, I just rotate to the base. Okay, create 2D sketch on this surface. Okay, project geometry here and here. Okay, so they have the maximum, the outermost limits, and just rectangle from here to here. Finish sketch. Okay, and extrude. When I extrude, just make sure that this part here is selected as well. Or sometimes this part is not selected, then you have a very weird 90-degree empty space over here. So just again, extrude, choose this surface and choose this surface. Make sure that the other side is chosen correctly as well. Okay, if everything is alright, then just click on new solid and you click OK. Then you get a base. I'll just change this to okay. So this is how you create the base for solids that actually stack on top of one another. So let's say if I want to cover up the front part, so I'll just create 2D sketch. Okay, and I'll just sketch on this surface. Okay, let's say I'm going to seal up the whole part, and from here to here all the way to the bottom. Okay, so I'll just make sure that I can see the lines using project geometry. Rectangle, the rectangle from this point to this point. Click OK. Extrude. See this part here, make sure that all the relevant areas are selected. So I'll extrude here, I'll extrude here, and I'll extrude here. Okay, the bottom is fine. New solid, and I click on OK. Okay, so I'll have this part closed out as well. So if your project is something like this is how you are going to draw the area. So of course there may be some variations, and you may want to make this variation as much as you can. Some of you have actually little slotting areas that is present over here. So what you want to do is you might want to draw over here project geometry here. Okay, and then after that you might then want to continue drawing your you might like have a slot over here, so that you might want to create the L-shaped profile here. Make the necessary dimensions that you need. Make sure that you place place these parts at the correct place. So let's say, for example, I'm trying to make it in the middle. Okay, so I've used this as 15. I can check the other side. This is 15 as well, so it's right in the middle. I finish my sketch. I choose extrude this and this, this and this. So let's say if I want to extrude the distance to be, let's say, 5 cm, then it will be this way. Okay, if I want it to be shorter, let's say 40 mm, it'll be this way. So but I want it to go inside, not outside, so I just choose direction 2. Okay, then it will go inside, and then remember these two parts, if they are separate, then new solid, then click on OK. Okay, then you have this part here, and some of you might want to start drawing things on the inside, and you realize that, hey, it's difficult for me to like sketch on the inside. So what you might want to do is actually you can hide the surfaces. So let's say I hide this and I hide this. Okay, then after that they become invisible, so that you can actually see all these parts. You just right click visibility. Let's say I want to, like, for example, this is a drawer. Okay, I want to see out the back, so I create 2D sketch, click on this surface. Okay, project geometry here and here, and this finish sketch. Extrude and here. Okay, but in this case I want 3 mm, new solid. Okay. Okay, so after I can change the color. Maybe I change it to lighter shade of red. Okay, so once everything is done, you can just unhide all these things, and it'll be back to this. Okay, so I hope these videos help for those of you who want to create something like this. Okay, so